Hi?
In this video, we will go through every single quest to collect the orbs, and with that we will also collect the coolest looking avatar frame. Let's get started, shall we? The first quest is about old school RuneScape. What is this? It's a Minecraft-looking, multiplayer online role-playing game. Anyway, this one gave us 200 orbs. Now it's the FC24. It's a phone quest. EA Sports FC Mobile is an association football simulation video game developed by EA Mobile. If you like, give it a whirl, you can play it on phone. In total, we have 400 orbs. The next is Rust Shop. Wumpus, Plush, and Rust. Now Rust Shop is in-game cosmetic marketplace for the popular multiplayer survival game. Here, they're selling Rust-exclusive Wumpus plushie. If you want, you can snag it. That being said, we have 600 orbs. Now we have RuneScape Dragonwilds Quest. This game costs $29.99 on Steam. It's a survival game. If you love these kind of games, feel free to purchase it. This gave us 800 orbs in total. Now the fifth quest, it's about OneState. As the caption says, it's a role-play game, but really good quality. And now we got 1,000 orbs in total. It is a big deal. Alright, then the sixth quest is from West Game Second. It's about rugged spirit of the American frontier comes to life in your quest to build a thriving town amid the chaos of the Wild West. As the leader of an emerging settlement in post-Civil War America, you will rescue townsfolk, build a formidable gang, and carve your name into the annals of Western history. So yep, this one gave us 1,200 orbs in total. The 6 global quests are finished. Now to see new quests, we need to use VPN and switch our location to the United States if you are not living in the US. Before we start, I must warn you though, that people's Discord accounts received temporary bans after switching their location to the United States, including mine. But it happened to me when I forgot to turn off the VPN and tried sending image. But anyway, if you want to carry on with this, it's on you. Well, switch your location to the US and refresh your Discord page. The first quest is from Supergirl. It gives you a cool avatar frame. Now Supergirl does sound like Superman's female counterpart who's on interstellar journey of vengeance and justice. But if you like superhero movies, feel free to check it out. Anyway, we got this cute avatar frame. Now, there's a quest from Forgotten Island. It's about best friends Joe and Rice to stumble upon a mysterious portal that transports them to Nikali, which is a fantasy island. Anyway, this one gives out 1,400 orbs in total. Anyway, the next is about Confidential Project. I don't know anything about this one, so just watch the video and claim your orbs. In total, it's 1,600 orbs now. Next one is from Hero War Alliance. It's a multiplayer mobile RPG game. After that, there's a quest from Monopoly Go. This in total will give you 2,000 orbs. Last but not least, there's a quest from Minions and Monsters that gives you a cute minion avatar frame. I am sure you will love it so much.
Now, if you don't know about this, you will find all the quest links in this video's description. I've separated the list of global quests from the US exclusive quests. So, make sure to check out this video called They Can Nuke Your Discord Server in 3 Seconds. Now listen up, this is very important. Do not forget to turn off your VPN once you're done. And don't send photos or videos or do any activity on Discord with your VPN on. The chances are, Discord could soft ban your account and you won't be able to chat or do anything on Discord for 4 hours. So, I think with 2,000 orbs you can grab 3 days of free Nitro. You can do whatever you want with them, of course, but honestly, I'd probably suggest saving them up. Now you know what's really free? Yeah, server decor and layouts. You can join my Discord server to get free decor and layouts, and maybe some resources to decorate your profile. If you don't want all that, it's alright. Just join us to make new friends. We'll be waiting for you. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and help it reach the people who genuinely need free Nitro but haven't been fortunate enough.